Hi there and welcome to my channel, the home of natural hair content. Hit that subscribe button because I know you like me already. And hit the bell so you get notified every single time I post a new video because you don't want to miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Okay, so today I'm going to be attempting a wash and go. I have never done a wash and go before in my life. So I'm really excited. Although I have seen a lot of wash and go videos on YouTube and most of them are fails. I'm using this guy over here, the Eco Styler Curl and Wave. So I don't know, I haven't really seen a lot of wash and go videos with this product in it, so I'm gonna try it. I'm just gonna attempt. I really hope this goes well because I don't want to waste my gel. just look at this guy poking out, embarrassing me. Jesus. So I'm starting. Okay, so I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. You know, actually, it's not exactly freshly washed. I washed it yesterday. If you have seen my wash day routine video, I'm gonna link it up here and down below in the description box, so you don't need to click away, okay? Just hold on. If you've seen that video, you will recognize this hairstyle because as soon as I was done washing my hair, moisturizing and sealing, I put my hair in these twists and, you know, I called it a day. And I've just been tying scarf and, you know, chilling. So today, I'm gonna try this wash and go, okay? I heard you're gonna need a lot of water, so I filled my spray bottle to the very top. And I'm gonna work in the sections that I already have here. So wish me luck, guys. Let's get into it. Like I said before, I'll be working with the sections I already have from my twists. I take one twist and split it into two because the smaller the section, the better. Then I drench that section in water. Like, you want to properly drench it, not mist though. Water. This water is dripping down my wrist right now. Rake the water through your hair. As you can see, some of my curls are already forming, or maybe that's just because of the twist. I don't know. Anyway, I add the gel to that section and I make sure that I use enough gel. You don't want to be mising the gel here. You want this gel to work for you, so use enough. And make sure you don't ignore your roots when you are putting the gel, because if you do, your roots will be poofy while the rest of your section is defined. So make sure you rake the gel throughout the entire section from root to end. And as you can see, my curls be popping. Like, look at those. Look at those tins. My hair does not even look like fussy hair again. Like, just wow. I'm impressed. I'm shook. I'm excited. Wow. Y'all, I don't know if it's the way that I washed my hair or if my hair just likes gel, but this wash and go, my hair is clumping so well and the curls are just, this is insane, y'all. Like, oh my god, this is great. This is really great. Like, I'm so happy that my hair decided to cooperate with me like this, because usually she just be leaving me hanging dry and, you know, but I don't know. Is it the gel? Is it the method? Because, I mean, it's just water and gel I'm using, right? I didn't reapply my conditioner. I didn't do anything. I washed my hair just yesterday. You can just check the description box down below for the video. You can watch it right after this and, you know, check out how I washed my hair. After I moisturized and sealed yesterday, I just put my hair in twists. Is it because I put my hair in twists? Oh, anyway, I put my hair in twists after I moisturized my hair, and I just tied a scarf, and that was it for the day. And then it's about 1:30 or 2 p.m. right now the next day, and I decided to do this wash and go thing, and it's just going too well. It'll take my hair forever to dry because my hair doesn't dry very quickly. I have low porosity hair, so it takes my hair quite a while to dry, like on a normal day. And now that I'm adding gel, I don't know, I'm gonna be waiting a while. Is it just me, or is my hair seriously uneven? It's not just me, right? Whoa, one side is very, and the other side is very. Maybe it's because it's getting shrunken up again. I don't know, but we'll see. Oh, okay guys, I'm trying something. I think when you use the gel and it forms one clump like this, just take a little section and you see that? Take another section and separate it, and it'll give you like really big clumps. Oh wow, on my first attempt I already developed a new like method. I don't know if this method actually already exists, but I just feel like, you know, it works. You see that? You see those big clumps? Okay. That's another way to do it. Look at me inventing things right now. I'm hyping myself, okay? Let me hype myself. I was so scared that I was gonna waste my gel today, but this is great. This is great. I actually didn't use that much. The gel isn't going down as much as I thought it would, you know. I'm not using a lot of product and it's working so well, guys. This is great. This isn't, wow. Oh my god, guys. Like, can you see this? Can you see the bounce? The shaking, the shivers. Oh my god. I look good. Hey. Oh, oh my god. I think this is a very successful wash and go. I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment down below if you think that this was successful, or if it could be better, or if there's something that I can do to make it better than this, which I honestly doubt because I am loving the way that I am looking. You guys don't understand how hyped I am right now. Like, is this my hair? No, this is great. This is really great. You know, I've still got a bit of volume. My hair shrunken up again, but I really don't mind. I know a lot of people try to elongate their curls, but I'm fine with the shrunken state. I don't know. I like it like this. I think it's really cool. Although my hair is like seriously uneven for some reason. Like, but it's okay. It's okay. We'll deal with it. It's okay. Can you recognize me? I'm the one that started this video in the first place. Do you remember? The girl with that tin on her head. Do you remember? This is me. Alright guys, that is it for this video, and I think this was a huge success. So give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Okay, I am just getting started. Y'all should subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my videos. Make sure you comment, share to everybody, your mom, sister, cousin, auntie, everybody. Okay, so I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Bye.